In this video, let me show you how to use Binance Spot Grid Trading Bot. Now, in order to use this feature within Binance, you simply need to head over to the Trading Bot interface, and you'll be able to see the Spot Grid option being displayed within this section. You can simply head over to it, and then you need to first of all choose a configuration method. This is a trade already made, but however, if this is your first time, you can simply tap on the AI tab and select the AI strategy, or you can also have the option, or you'll also be able to select the manual tab, which you'll be able to add in your own strategy within the section. So simply select a asset that you can trade, such as BTC USD, or any other asset that you want to trade, or cryptocurrency that you want to trade within this platform. And as I said, either you can select the AI strategy option, which will then automatically trade for you, or you can also manually select your own strategy that you have built yourself. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.